Hello everyone. Today we will be doing the second part of the dictation that was dictated earlier. The topic of the dictation was the 45th convocation of AIIMS. I will start the dictation in 10 seconds. 5 seconds to go. Start. As young doctors, you have a special responsibility to educate the public on preventive health care. Furthermore, we must emphasize the role of technology in healthcare. Telemedicine and digital health records are no longer the future. They are the present. AIIMS has always been at the foremost of adopting such innovations. I urge you to use these tools to reach the remotest corners of our country. India lives in its villages, and our medical graduates must be willing to serve in rural areas. The government is doing its part by strengthening the primary health centers and establishing more AIIMS like institutions across various states of our country. However, buildings and equipments alone do not make a hospital. It is the human touch of the doctor that provides healing. We must also address the importance of medical research. India has the potential to be a global hub for pharmaceutical and clinical research. Our researchers must find cost effective solutions for the diseases that affect the developing world. We cannot simply rely on imported technology and medicine. We need indigenous solutions that are affordable and accessible. The mission of this institute must be to lead this change and ensure that our nation becomes self reliant in all aspects of health and medicine. In addition to this clinical skills, medical ethics must be the guiding light for every practitioner in the pursuit of professional success. Never compromise on the values that this institution has taught you. Integrity, honesty, and a spirit of service should be the hallmarks of the AIIMS graduate. As you move forward, you will face many challenges, both professional and personal. In those moments, recall the oath you have taken today. Your dedication can transform the lives of millions who look up to you with hope and exceptions. In conclusion, I congratulate all the medical medal winners and graduates. You have worked hard to earn these degrees and titles. But remember, graduation is not the end of learning, it is the beginning of a lifelong journey of service. The world outside these walls is vast and full of opportunities to make a difference. May you always uphold the highest ethics of this noble profession and bring glory to your alma mater and your country. I wish you all the very best in your future endeavors and a very bright career ahead. Thank you. Jai Hind. Stop.